Eto mga idol, panoorin natin itong first ever duet ni Raniel Papa. Mukhang nagkainuman, nagkabanding at talaga namang ang pangis ng boses na parang babae mga idol. Yan si Raniel Papa. Let's go, panoorin natin dito kay Kisha Covers mga idol.
Mawala tayo ng puso dito.
Tingnan natin, inuman si Sean. Wow! Galing. Taas ng boses. Ganda ng boses, idol. Wow! Ganda ng boses ng babae din mga idol.
It's so hard to believe, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back to me now. There were moments of love, and there were flashes of light. There were things that never do again, but then they always seemed right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than anything else alive.
Bintaas ng boses ni ate mga idol. Wow!
You kiss me like that. It was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me.
Touch me like this, and kiss you like that. It was more with a wind, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There were moments of love, and there were flashes of
Grabe, Kisha covers mga idol. Ang lupet ng boses. Both sila mga idol ay talagang masasabi natin napakagaling. No? Ranel Papa ay isa to sa mga, I think, kung di ko nagkakamali, tawag ng tanghalan ata. No? Grabe. Ibang klase talaga. Dito kay sa babae din mga idol, nakikita natin dito ang ganda ng boses niya, napaka sweet, no? Ang kanyang music, kanyang boses talaga masasabi mo napaka-cool.
I tried so